Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. It's the third video in the series on the 1996 Jaguar XJS 4.0 celebration. As you can see, it's off the main ramp now and on axle stands, so we can still work on bits and pieces. We just lifted the bonnet and we noticed a few bits really that we weren't happy about. When it goes to the body shop, the inside of the bonnet is going to be repainted, and we've got some brand new insulation to put on there. And the overall condition of the engine bay is absolutely filthy, as you can see from the video. All this will clean, and what doesn't clean will get repainted. But we did notice when we looked a bit closer to the cam cover, we cleaned it all up with a bit of degreaser, and we noticed that the lettering on it is terrible, and there's blisters on it, and marks and bits of paint lift, and it just looks overall nasty, and I don't like that. Also, the injector rail cover as well is a bit scuffed and scratched. So like I say, believe it or not, the engine bay will come up absolutely mint, but those things, you know, it doesn't matter how much you clean and detail them, they just want repainting and sort of renovating a bit. So in our fourth video, we're going to actually show you how to take all the coils out, the cam cover off, and we're going to clean the cam cover on the other side of it, and then we're going to sand and respray the cam cover and the coil cover there, and the injector rail silver cover. We're going to do them all in the same silver. And while we're on with it, we're actually going to paint this exhaust shield. Now, they used to be chrome years ago on the XJ40s, but I think they were always just painted in sort of silver. So we're going to sand that, and we've got some heat-proof paint to do the lot in. So that will really, really smarten the engine bay up. As soon as you look in, you'll see that, you know, all clean cut. And we've also ordered some paint to actually paint in these letters again in dark green. This has been messed around with, but it's not quite right. So the only thing that we can't get is the lettering for there. But I'm going to go and see a sign writer and see if he can't do me something really, really similar so I can stick on after. But yeah, so it's on the ramp. We're just going to do a few little jobs while it's on here. Then we're going to do the cam cover, and that will be shown in the next video. So hopefully that'll be of use to you. As you can see up there now, we've got to get this ready now. This is the S-Type I was speaking to you about. We've just taken all the wheels off. We've just put it up on the ramp. We've inspected it. It's just like a brand new car underneath. All the bushes are brand new. Shockers, springs, lovely, no corrosion. And we're really looking forward to get stuck into that. So this week we'll be preparing that for sale. And then that'll go into the showroom because we've got a gap in there that we need to fill. This evening we've just taken all the wheels off the car, give them a really, really good clean both sides. And as you can see, you know, they look fantastic really. So we're not going to do a massive in-depth video on the S-Type like we are the XJS, but I just thought while it was on the ramp I would just show you what we're on with next, in between doing bits and pieces on the XJS, and hopefully you'll keep a lookout for the video, for the sales video, because within the next 5-7 days that car will be videoed and put into the showroom, and it will be available for sale. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon.